DPR Korea has a unique initiative of household doctors, one doctor per 130 families. We have with us today the Vice Minister of Ministry of Public Health, Dr. Jun Jun Sung. Dr. Sung, we would like to know from you what was the strategy behind this initiative and what are the challenges in it?
우리나라 사회주의 보건제도는 위대한 수령 김일성 동지께서 창시하신
The socialist health system of the DPR Korea is the people-centered health system embodying the immortal Juche idea created by the great leader President Kim Il-sung, under which the people's health and life is valued and protected ahead of all other issues at any cost, legally, socio-politically, institutionally, and financially ensured. Our health system, based on the preventive medicine, is providing complete and universal free care, under which the population without exception is leading the happy life in good health without any worries of access to the treatment. DPRK proclaimed the enforcement of the complete and universal free medical care in the whole area of the country in the 7th session of the Second Supreme People's Assembly in February 1960, and in this very session, the household doctor system was legally declared. Household doctor system is defined and characterized as follows. The health of the whole population in all the parts of the whole country is absolutely protected under the government, since all the residential areas are covered by the household doctors. Preventive medicine is embodied through this system, since the household doctors are focusing on the prevention of the disease occurrence and outbreak. And all the civil servants and working masses are timely access to the medical care even at their working places, since the residential area and the production facilities are organically interlinked. Timely specialized medical care is ensured, since the specialized medical care is outreached down to the periphery level. The terms of reference of the household doctor, firstly, is to protect the health of the families and population in charge in accordance with the preventive medicine policy by providing health education and IEC activities on major diseases such as hypertension, cancer, respiratory diseases, diarrhea, etc. EPI calendar-based vaccination. Secondly, to conduct the medical services for the household population in charge, such as medical examination, detection of the communicable disease suspects, registration and collaboration with the secondary level hospitals for periodic intensive examination, treatment and management of the outpatients to the re-hospitals and clinics and family rounds. In DPRK, one household doctor covers around 130 families, counting up to around 45,000 household doctors in the country. The graduates from the 15 medical universities are providing the health services in the various levels of the health facilities in the country, including the peripheral level. As of 2014, we have the cohort of 87,780 medical doctors. The respected Comrade Kim Jong-un, the supreme leader of our party and the people, in the 7th Congress of the Workers' Party of Korea in May this year, has outlined the programmatic task to consolidate the household doctor system through the household doctors by taking the preventive measures against the various diseases and managing the health services perfectly according to the age-wise and constitution-wise characters of the population. We are endeavoring to project the health indicators such as life expectancy and communicable diseases prevalence to the world's advanced level and provide the people with more hygienic and healthy living conditions and environment by developing further strengthening the household doctor system and improving the quality of the medical services. Our household doctor system is also considered as the systematical, institutional, and pivotal foundation playing the crucial role in establishing the universal health coverage, the focus of the health-related SDGs. We are fully committed to upscaling the skills and capacity of the household doctors and improve the quality of the health services by the household doctor, thus to further demonstrate the advantages and vitality of our socialist health system.
우리 사회주의 보건 체계의 우월성을 더 높이 발扬시켜 나갈 것입니다.